how to add Instagram story from your laptop or your PC. So firstly, go to instagram.com and log in with your credentials. And after you come up to this interface, click on the right side of the screen and click on inspect. And from now on, select the dimensions. For now, I will be using Samsung Galaxy S8. And after that, refresh the page again. And from the plus icon, select story and select the photo that you want to add as your story and click on open. And from here on, you can edit with some text and some stickers. And after that, click on add to your story and the story will be updated. In this way, you can add a story on Instagram from your laptop or your PC.